Hey everyone, it's David again from Real Hard Reviews, and today on the review bench we have this, which is a mini PC speaker called the Divoom Ditoo. And if you're wondering what this is, then let me give you a quick background on who and what the company Divoom makes.
Divoom produces a number of small portable Bluetooth speakers, but they also got a Pixel branch of the company, where retro pixel art meets speaker, and it's a lot of fun. The Ditoo is a small portable Bluetooth speaker, complete with a colored pixelated screen in the body of an old CRT computer screen and keyboard. It comes in a hard plastic carry case, which was pretty cool, and it also included a USB Type-C cable for charging, some instructions, and some stickers as well. The Ditoo is a really cool looking device with its old school computer look. You have the base of the device, which would be the PC tower and integrated keyboard of an old school system. The Ditoo also includes 6 mechanical keyboard keys, complete with what feels like blue switches that allow for menu navigation and other functions of the Ditoo. Just to the right of the keys is a lever that is used to select menu items. On the right of the base is where you'll find the USB-C charging port and the power switch. There is also a micro SD card slot here for you to load up your music collection without the need of using Bluetooth. The Ditoo has a single speaker with a total power output of 10 watts and an included dual passive outlet at the rear. To tell you the truth, I'm quite impressed with the audio quality. It's very loud, but it's got a bit of a punch behind it. The display itself is a 16 by 16 series of LED inside a beveled frame. It looks great when lit, and it's easily one of my favorite parts of a Ditoo as a whole. The Ditoo has a built-in battery capacity of around 3000 mAh, which also will last around 6 to 8 hours before its next charge. Its playback time really depends on how you're using it. If you're planning to use it as an alarm, make sure to have it connected to a power source. The Divoom app features a massive library of user-generated pixel art, with fresh content every time you look. Some of the features are only available when connected to your mobile device, such as the social notification, which flashes a large icon up when you get a notification from the respective app, or the sound sleeps as well. There is also a music visualizer, though this requires the audio to be played over Bluetooth rather than utilizing the built-in microphone to react to ambient sounds. The Ditoo features a number of basic recreations of retro games like Tetris, Snake, and Breakout. There is also a not-so-retro one, Flappy Bird. Either way, the Ditoo can be used as a gaming device as well. Overall, the Ditoo is a cute and quirky desktop gadget that just happens to have a decent Bluetooth speaker. It's not a particularly powerful speaker though. Check out the TV Max if you wanted something more bassy. And if you don't want a speaker at all, it really comes down on how much you care about the retro computer aesthetics.
Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the review. As always, please remember to hit that like button for the good old YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe and join us on our Discord channel for the latest tech trends in tech. This is David from Real Hard Reviews, signing out.